Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your video directly to YouTube from VLLO in just a few steps. First, open the VLLO app. Within it, you can either create a new project or open an existing one. And once you are on the editor page, make sure to edit the clips, and after all the editing, tap on the export button at the top right corner of the editor screen. On the export page, make sure you are on the video option. Here you can edit the file name as well as choose the resolution, frame rate and video code based on your preference. After adjusting the settings, tap on the export button at the bottom. If your account is a free version, then it will show ads. Make sure to complete the ad. After that, tap on the cross icon given at the top left corner. VLLO will now begin to export your video and save it to your device. Once the export is completed, you see a sharing option appear on the screen. From the list of the apps, tap on YouTube. If this is your first time, VLLO will ask you to sign into your YouTube account and allow the required permissions. Please make sure to give all the permission required. Now tap on the video that you want to upload. You will be also given the option to cut the video or put filters if needed. After that, tap next. And make sure to fill the video details such like title, description, visibility as well as many more. When you are done with filling the details, tap on the upload button and please make sure to follow the on-screen instruction and wait for the upload to finish as it depends based on the internet stability. And that's it, your video is now shared directly to the YouTube from VLLO. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.